Hey everyone, it's Sarah from Edcafe, and today I'm going to walk you through how to upload knowledge into the chatbot. So with these chatbots, you can upload your own personal teaching materials. That way, when students are interacting with the chatbot, you know the information that is being shared with them. So let's go and create a chatbot about ancient civilizations, specifically Egypt, Greece, and Rome. So when we create this chatbot, as you guys know, of course, the chatbot in Edcafe will generate those instructions based on your chatbot of choice that you've just described. But today we're really focusing on this knowledge section here. So as you can see, we can upload a bunch of different resources. We can add in a web page, do PowerPoint, Word, or Excel, even paste in any text, add in a PDF, or even put in an image. So I have a couple of different pieces of information that we can add. Let's go ahead and take a look. So here we have a PowerPoint on the different civilizations that we went through in class. So we can upload this. In addition, we also have this image. So as you can see, Edcafe will also accept any graphs or charts that you want to add and have that be referred to. And then lastly, we also have some teacher notes that we can paste in as well. Oh, and one last one, we also have a PDF of the chapter. So as you can see here, I can upload this PDF as that chapter book into our Edcafe Chatbot little library that we have. So let's go ahead and open it back up. And we can click on this plus to add a knowledge, and you can upload any files, that web page, or add a text note. Let's start with our text note, and let me go back to our mail that we had, and we can copy this whole mail of our notes that we want to add in. So I had just emailed this to myself, so we can copy this, and we'll do teacher notes, and we can add in that text and save it. So we can see that we can go back and edit it if needed, but let's go ahead and drop in some of our other knowledge. I'm going to just drop them in instead of clicking on that add a file. So here we have our image of that graph and chart that we can add. So you see that quick little preview. And then let's see what else. We also have that PDF. And the last one we want to do is our PowerPoint file. Excellent. And in addition, I also have a web page that we can also use. So you guys can copy and paste any websites that you want the chatbot to refer to and just click add a web page and paste that in here. So you can add up to 10 different files that you want the chatbot to refer to. And in addition, you can see that we have this knowledge limits. So you can choose if you want the chatbot to refer to all of the files that you uploaded and its other general knowledge, or you can select to just use those files so that you know the chatbot is only referring to this information that is added here. But that is all the setup that is needed to create your chatbots and upload your own personal knowledge and your own personal teaching materials. I hope you guys use this to create your own chatbots. And if you need help on creating other chatbots, take a look at the video that's linked up above.